plumber's coming back to hook up the gas, which will give us heat. And then all of our carpet that we have here is going to be installed for then we're finished and going to U&M. Or U&M for the UNO. So here's our carpet. We're just waiting for it to warm up, get the heat. Everything else is finished. Finished paint work. These floors will all be nice and cleaned up. We've got the kitchen finished with the granite countertops. Need to clean out these old appliances. Backyard's pretty clean, still need to be cleaned up a little bit. So today, we're looking to finalize the fixtures portion of the draw. So we're just sitting at our 10% U&O. Carpet throughout this level. So we've got our fixed light fixtures in. Everything's done. Carpet guy needs heat, so he can stretch his carpet out. And that'll be done within this week. We should have our U&O within another week. Our bathroom needs a good cleaning. Gotta install a toilet. My main thing I want to verify is that, well, there's a toilet. Probably needs to be trashed. Paint work done, trim work done, windows done. We also owe $3,500 for a furnace install. So that's one of the main reasons I'm here today, to verify that's been installed. Basement's being cleaned up, everything's piled up, and there's our brand new spanking furnace and the hot water heater. There's the old one, new one. Again, plumber's coming back after Christmas to hook up the heat, so we have heat cooking down here, and then the carpet guy's gonna finish out the carpet. And then he'll get his final 10% for his U&O. So this house will rent fast. And this is 2305 Orem.